Welcome to the first episode of Will It Develop. This is where I am going to develop recipes along with you from the stuff I've written down in my notes app. This is how I keep track of recipes that I want to try to develop. So we're going to be doing this one up here at the top, which says bacon, asparagus, gnocchi, heavy cream, one pot dish, and then leeks. Which I think I've already decided not to have the heavy cream, but we will see when we get there. First thing we're going to do is I have a pound of bacon here that I cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to fry this up until it gets crispy. Look, I have already decided that if the recipe does not develop, then I won't be posting the video. So if you're seeing this video, then it is an actual recipe you can cook. Okay, the bacon is very crispy. Now I'm going to add in some leeks. Now, if you don't know what a leek is or how to prepare them, I posted a video before this to show you how to do that. We're going to add these in. I did not drain any of the bacon grease. Right here I have 2 bunches of asparagus that I cut into 3s, and that's going to go in also. I'm also going to add in a shit ton of minced garlic. Now, I do believe that fresh would be better, but today we're doing it the garlic. All right, I have all this combined. I'm going to saute it until the asparagus starts to get soft. I like mine to have a little bit more crunch. If you like yours a little bit softer, just cook it until you get the tenderness you like. As I'm cooking this and smelling it, the bacon's going to be amazing in it, but you could also probably do Italian sausage or Jimmy Dean sausage. And I still don't think I'm going to add heavy cream to this, but I think probably like a half a cup to a cup of heavy cream at this point in the cooking stage would also be really good. I have the asparagus to the tenderness I like. Now I'm going to add in some paprika. This is mostly going to be for color. Some onion powder, garlic powder, some of this garlic parmesan Kinder seasoning, and you could probably leave this out if you don't want to pay the extra money to buy this. Some salt and pepper. And our last ingredient is going to be a 16-ounce package of gnocchi. Okay, I have everything mixed together. You want to cook this gnocchi until it starts to puff up. I'm going to stir it occasionally just to get it flipped around in the pan. Okay, here it is, all done. I am going to garnish it with some fresh Parmesan. I just thought about that and I thought it would be really good. I think this is a lemon zester, okay, but I'm using it for my Parmesan cheese. Okay, there is my dinner bowl. I'm going to get a bite ready and we're going to do a taste test. I am excited. All right, there's our bite. Let's go. This recipe is definitely going in my next cookbook. I'm hoping to have it released sometime at the end of October. I'm probably going to call this asparagus and gnocchi skillet unless I can think of a better or more clever name for it.